Hello, my name is Paul Parkinson, and I'm just going to walk through quick usage of bringing a large audio file into Unity and then just playing certain sections of it. So I imagine this is a fairly common use case, but I didn't find anything out there that was really easy to use and utilitarian is, is what I wrote here. So I just put something together real quick. It's not amazing, but I figured I'd show it to you. So what we have here is just Audacity with a large audio file, which has a bunch of different sounds. Okay. And rather than chop that up in, do all the trimming and all that, I just bring the whole thing into Unity and I wrote this play audio sprite script where you can name the section that you want to play and the start and end time. And then you can just call upon this to say, play from second 3 to second 5. Okay. So let me show you it in Unity first, and then I will show you the actual play audio sprite script. So again, I have Audacity up here. I have it set so I can get down to the milliseconds here, and then I'll just play a sound. Okay. So right now we're at 8.9.
One rock res.
So what was it? 8.9. So and it was a RustPod Derez. So it started at 8.9. And what did we end at? 11.45. Right. So I can really get it correct. And then you'll see, I'll show you the script in more detail when we call this object and we get its play audio sprite component. We can say just play Rust or just play Go. Okay, so here we are in Rider in that play audio sprite C# script that we saw in the Unity inspector. And here are the array of sound clips that we had populated with the name of the sound clip and the start and end time. And that's a very simple object here with just those 3 values. And to bring them into the Unity editor, you just put the serialized field. And that's what brings it in, so we could, edit it there with no code approach. So looking closer at the code, the most important method is this play clip here. And all that's doing is taking a start and end time, and then it's grabbing the audio source. If you noticed in the Unity editor, the object we had this script on also had an audio source attached to it. So any object in Unity, you can get an object that it contains using this get component call. All right, so we're getting the audio source. Very simple. An audio source takes a audio file. And so the audio source is the mechanism to play that audio file. You drag your WAV file into Unity and then drag that from the Unity assets folder, wherever it's into this audio source. And that's it. So we have this audio source of a long audio file that we're playing clips of that we just saw. So then you have just verify that the start and end time are valid here. And then we just call this method where we play the audio source, and then we yield until the end time is reached. Okay. And that's all there is to it. And then we stop the audio source. This is another way of going about it to set the scheduled end time. But I like the wait until approach better. So that's all there really is to it. If you do it this way, there are some gotchas. You just need to make sure you set it up this way so you have a correct instance of audio, the audio source, etc. Okay, and then another script or whatever object can call this play method with the object name. And so I'll just get the name from this array, find the start and end values associated with it, and then call this play clip that we just looked at. Okay. And then for a step for testing, you can just go ahead and iterate through all of them, display the name of the clip, and then play the sound so you can, test them all at once. Always good to test. So that's about it. Very simple, but very powerful. A lot of different use cases for, bringing in one large file and being able to clip it up within Unity itself. So thanks for watching. I'll post this out, the source code out on my GitHub. Thanks.